And the winner of the 2021 TIDA New Zealand Designer Bathroom Suite is Katie Scott of Sticks+Stones Design.
As part of the renovation of this transitional villa, the owners wanted to use a fifth bedroom to increase the size of their main bathroom and add a new ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. To maximise the space, the room allocated for the ensuite and bathroom was split lengthways into two long rooms, both entered from the master bedroom through sliding full-height panel doors. In the ensuite, handmade vertical subway tiles in a dark smoky grey contrast with the statuario marble-look large format tiles, while aged brass fittings and detailing add warmth to the very moody space. The judges noted how the reconfigured space gave a very practical outcome, while the ensuite's design demonstrated a fresh approach to creating a luxurious bathroom with both classic and modern features. Congratulations to Katie Scott of Sticks+Stones Design, winner of the 2021 TIDA New Zealand Designer Bathroom Suite of the Year.
Thank you, Paul. It's an amazing honour to receive this award. The level of designs was just so amazing, and the New Zealand standard of designers, it's so inspiring. And I want to say thank you to all my peer designers. What you do is amazing, and yeah, thank you. I need to thank amazing clients. All of my clients are amazing. For this project particularly, they put so much faith in me. It's a very bold design, it's very moody, it's luxurious, and it all came from showing them two tiles and saying, it's gonna look good, and they believe me. And now we have this bathroom, and I'm really proud of it. I'm proud of everybody that was involved in making it. So all the amazing trades that I work with, they've just done an outstanding job. I want to thank you all, my friends and all my family, for their support. I wouldn't be able to do what I do without them always running around, and they look after me. So thank you to all of my friends and family. And so a little bit about the design of this bathroom. Just a couple of main keys on this look, I suppose, is it's a small space. Bathrooms are very technically difficult. You have to fit so much into such a small box. And it's very challenging to try and make those boxes luxurious and beautiful and everything that we want them to be, but also, you know, a usable bathroom. So this space, it's very moody, and it's got dark tiles and a lot of contrast. So lighting was really key. So I've used multiple different kinds of lighting. The lighting also gives that impact. It exaggerates the high stud, it exaggerates the texture of the small tiles on the wall. So it's all it's very bold. And then we've got this elegance in all the brass elements, the mirrors and the tapware. So the mirrors made by Power Surge did a beautiful job. The buddy tapware from Plumline, which I love. And it's all come together, and it's given quite a, I suppose, a luxurious and moody kind of feel. So yeah, I think the main elements there are the contrast of the tiling, the large tiles and the small tiles and the brass. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out, and I'm very, very happy that to be recognised with this award. So thank you, Trends, and the TIDA judges. Yeah, I look forward to seeing all the other winners. Thank you.